Today I'm getting my hands dirty by planting some easy, super fast growing and rewardable edibles. So snow peas, snap peas, dill and baby spinach. Okay, let's get planting. First up, our peas. I've got both snow peas and sugar snap peas here because my family and I love picking and eating both varieties. These guys are fantastic because they're climbing plants, meaning they don't need much space, just a little bit of support. So I've got these trellises here ready to go. Okay, so we'll prepare the hole this one's going into, digging it out nice and close to the trellis. Give the pot a gentle squeeze into the hole, encouraging the pea to grow up the frame, and then give everything a nice firm pat down in. And then I've got lots of sugar snap peas just here, so I'm going to plant them along on a row, making sure that a few of them come up this trellis and along this support. Okay, these are a little bit pot bound. Just release the roots a little bit. Give it all a bit of a squeeze. Peas are one of those plants that don't love being transplanted, so ideally you want to plant seeds directly into your garden. But I am still waiting for my seeds to arrive, so I'm doing a little bit of a cheat and getting a jump start. The great thing about this frame is that you can lower the trellises. Next, let's talk about this little beauty. I absolutely love dill. It's got this great feathery foliage and it's got a fantastic taste. It's also fuss-free, so it's great to be planting in the vegetable garden right now. I'm going to plant this dill right next to the peas because I have just put some worm tea on this part of the soil yesterday. So there's a little bit more nutrients just in this section of the garden. We also have a bit of a problem with some roots, and just take those out so that they don't prevent any growth of your new plants. And check that you've dug your hole deep enough by trying to put the pot in. And I am still trying to get this soil as healthy as my old vegetable garden. It takes time. If you're building a raised garden bed, make sure you buy the best quality soil available. We have baby spinach. These powerhouses are great for any vegetable garden or any balcony pot. You can cut the outer leaves and they just keep coming, and they're perfect to eat raw or cooked. Even my kids are asking to have them on their lunch sandwiches now, so that's a huge win, and I love to throw it in with my eggs in the morning. They're also quite tolerant of partial shade, so they're great for any part of the garden, and if you've got a shaded balcony or something like that, give baby spinach a try. Okay, so the baby spinach I should ideally be planting probably about 10 centimeters apart. This is to plant apart 30 centimeters. I tend to not really follow that too strictly because I don't have a lot of space and because I'm lazy and time poor. So I also find that a lot of these plants do well if you keep them together. They're a bit more pest resistant. They don't get attacked by as many bugs. And it also makes it easier to put a bit of a cover on them to protect them from frost and creatures if they're all grouped together. Again, just pinching these out. You can always put the labels in so that everyone else knows what you've planted. We'll get a watering can of worm tea and water those oils in to give them a nice good start. So there you have it. We've planted snow peas, sugar snap peas, dill and baby spinach. 4 fantastic vegetables that are easy to grow, thrive in cooler weather and will bring so much fresh flavour to your kitchen. Get out there, give it a go and enjoy the incredible satisfaction of growing your own food. Hey Mom. Hey babe, how you doing? Hopefully by my next gardening video, the Diggers Club seeds would have arrived and we can plant some seeds together. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button so I know people are watching and if it's crap or not. Comment what you're planting at the moment and I hope to see you out in the garden next time. Happy planting!